Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Homework Remodels and Twilight Builders. Back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction Arcadia, episode 34. We've got some great drywall progress today. I'm excited to share with you. Okay, friends, look at that big, beautiful space. Oh my goodness. So what you can see right here in front of me, I'm going to back up here just one second. We've got our radius bullnose on our door opening, pass through from the kitchen, from the living room to the kitchen, all the way down these beautiful walls. Oh, the space is looking so much more like a finished home. It's just amazing. These guys are in here taping all the seams. I think they've completed that for the day. The gentleman is out cleaning out his tools so that he can move on to the next task. But look at all those tape seams in that drywall. Just incredible. I wanted to show you what they did over here at this sliding glass door. They found some L-metal so that we don't actually have to add any trim. So the drywall is going to come right up to the door. It's awesome. Such a modern application for this situation. Oh my goodness sakes, it's going to be amazing. But look at how nice that finish is going to be on that corner. Just incredible. And that's all the way around our sliding glass doors here on the back of the house and the big door in the master bathroom. Can you believe how beautiful that is? All right. Yes, and then there's the view minus the construction fence. Oh, other great news. This big old tree out here was in our way for the electrical hookup with SRP, and they were like, yeah, you're gonna have to let your neighbors know that this is gonna have to be trimmed back quite a bit. And they found out when they went to let them know that they were taking it out this week. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. So thankfully, big old monster tree is gonna be gone, and then SRP will be able to hook up our electrical service. Friends, thank you for being here on this journey with us for Coffee and Construction, episode 34 in Arcadia. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.